So Jim Empter, Van Ahn Company, Alexandria, Minnesota, with their closing grain and livestock comments for June 4th, 2018. Corn market down 10 to 10 3/4. Beans down 18 to 19 1/2. Wheat, Chicago down 18, Minneapolis down 10 3/4, Kansas City down 19 1/4. Really just kind of a whirlwind of stories. We continue to have Brazil selling with the strong U.S. dollar. Even though it was down a little bit today, we continue to have selling from Brazil. More importantly, though, we had very good weather with a good-looking 5 to 7 day outlook here. We've got heat around, but we've got moisture as well, and that's a welcome thing and bearish to the markets. You've also got these uncertainty of trade wars. So now it becomes a matter of where's support. When you look to the corn market, we kind of blew through that 85 to 87 level, closed at 80. Next count is 78 to 79. We still look for good support against this 200-day moving average, but that's the next key area where people either puke out and watch it wash out, or we hold good support. We're leaning towards the support. We think that's where it'll come in. Bean market, on the other hand, a wild card. We still see risk down to 995 to 999 on the beans. And the wheat market, we're at those kind of key counts here for Minneapolis wheat. We'll see just how we kind of hold together and see whether the rains kind of come together as we work ahead. Feeder cattle down 147 1/2, live cattle down 117 1/2, hog market down 105. So a weaker tone there, kind of a washout in commodities. The hogs, the uncertainty of the trade wars, a big part of the washout there. Whereas cattle, they were a little more supported in other months. Those were the weaker months, and we'll just have to see how kind of things unfold. Still see good support, still see a bottom in that cattle market. This has been Jim Empter, Van Ahn Company, Alexandria, Minnesota. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation. Have a great afternoon.